What's up, folks? Lon Jenkins here. Coming to you today. It's Father's Day, right? Father's Day is this weekend. So, you fathers out there, I'm gonna tell you what I do, and this is what I did last year. First, I start washing with the lawnmower. I get some soap, any loose debris, anything that's up under there, I scrape it out a little bit, and then I wash down the mower. The next thing I do is I get ready to get me a nice fresh bucket, and I clean the whips, right? I wash the wife's car, I wash my car, and I make sure that it's shiny, because on Father's Day, I want to show a little appreciation for, me being able to have a few things in life, because so many people don't have things. Once everything is washed, you know what's next. I stripe the line. I get out there and create the best stripes that I can every Father's Day, usually every holiday, but I make me some nice stripes on the holiday. So that's the next thing that I do after that. I'm going to show you what I use to wash the car. This stuff right here. Once I wash the car, I leave it wet and I spray this on. Okay? This is the Chemical Guys Hybrid High Gloss Spray Sealant. This stuff will put a shine on your car like you won't believe. So if you want to get some of that, pick it up. Wash your car. I use Dawn soap or something like that. Before I dry it, I spray that on there and I do a sealant. Once the work is done, though, you got to finish up with, some deep fried fish, some ribs, get your best drink, whatever you want to do. You take that fish, you drop it in that hot oil, not too hot. You drop it in that real hot oil, and it'll sink. It'll start bubbling, and as it rises and it starts floating on its own, about 10 seconds after it starts floating, you're ready to eat, man. Get you some fries, get you some coleslaw, a salad, whatever. Hey, it's Father's Day. Hey, happy Father's Day later.